Now, next topic is rules of writing units. The first one is values are written as a number followed by a space and a unit symbol. Here the example is what is given in this is 2.4 kg or 34 meters or 16 seconds or 17 kilometers. Here we have some exceptional cases also. When we represent minutes, degrees and angles, no need to give a space for the number. So as you observe in the example, 30 degrees, 28 seconds, 20 minutes. The second one is symbols are derived. Derived units formed by multiplication are joined with a center dot or a non-break space. For example, Newton meter or kg meter per second square. The next one is symbols are derived units formed by division or joined with a slash or given by a negative exponent. Here the case is meter per second or meter per second square also. Now, symbols are mathematical entities, not abbreviation. So, do not have an full stop. That means if you write in kg, 4 kg, it should be continuously written 5 grams. When you are writing whether it is in kg or gram, you should not give a space or full stop between the numerical number as well as the unit. Next one is symbols are written in upright type and italic type to differentiate if they have a same letter. The first example is meter for meter, and for mass also we write with M. Here, coming to the next one, all symbols for units are written in lowercase. For meter, it is M. For second, it is S. Whereas for mole, it is MOL. Whereas the exceptional case is for liter, instead of writing small l, we use capital L. Next one is symbols derived from the name of a person use uppercase letter for short form. So like a Pascal, Newton and Joule. But where you are writing full form, you have to use a lowercase in the case like Pascal, Newton, Joule. Symbol of prefix should be written without any separator like gigahertz. Symbols of prefixes larger than kilo, that is 10 power 3, are used in uppercase. The first example is megahertz. Here mega represent 10 power 6. Decibels. Decibels, it is a unit for intensity of sound. What you have done in 8th standard. Units must be in a singular form. Like 2 kg, not 2 kgs, 2 grams. Next, when you write name of the unit can be pluralized in the full form. Henry's is the plural form of Henry. Write 10 newtons, only write 10 newtons, not ns. It is incorrect. Till now, we have discussed the quantities like mass, time, speed, acceleration, velocity and their standard of measurements. But while we are doing experiments, we have to get relation between different physical quantities in physics and to understand the relation between any two physical quantities. So how we will do this? By plotting a graph against two parameters. So graph is so important for us to know. Now, let us understand what is a graph. It is nothing but it is a pictorial form of a representation that show the relation between two quantities. Here these two quantities nothing but whatever the physical quantities we discussed earlier. The two physical quantities what we are going to plot against each other. One should be independent, the other will be dependent. So these physical quantities we call them as variables also. Here, one is independent variable, the other one is dependent variable. What is independent variable? The variable which have any value within specific limits is called as independent variable. Next one is dependent variable. The variable whose value depend upon the numerical value assigned to the independent variable is known as dependent variable. While plotting these independent variable, whereas dependent variable on x-axis we have to plot independent variable, whereas on y-axis we have to plot dependent variable. Children, to make you understand more in detail about dependent variable and independent variable, let us discuss one example. If Anita wants to record the odometer readings once every 5 minutes, accordingly she has taken time intervals as 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 13 minutes and so on. So here we want to express distance which is covered in 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes like that. So here time is considered as independent variable, whereas distance is considered as dependent variable. In general, independent variables are controlled by us, but dependent variables are changing due to the independent variables. Now the next topic is steps in construction of a graph. In that we have 6 steps are there. First one is axis, second one is range, third one is scale, the fourth one is names on the axis, fifth one is data points, sixth one labeling of data points.